Welcome back to A Many Property TV, where we delve into the world of real estate and provide you with valuable insights and advice. Need your first real estate client fast? Here are 5 strategies to land your first deal as quickly as possible. Strategy 1. Tap into your sphere of influence. Tell everyone you know that you're in real estate. Your first client could be a friend, relative, or their referral. Strategy 2. Host an open house for another agent even if you don't have listings yet. Offer to host open houses. You'll meet potential buyers and sellers face to face. Strategy 3. Knock on doors in your target area. Introduce yourself to homeowners. Offer market insights and ask if they're considering selling or buying. Strategy 4. Leverage social media. Post valuable content. Go live and share your journey as a new agent. Your first client might come from your online presence. Strategy 5. Join networking events and meetups. The more people you meet, the better. Attend local events and introduce yourself as an agent. Your first client is out there. Go get them. Like, subscribe, and comment. What's your strategy for landing your first deal?